Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can place your artwork on a billboard. So select your artwork and press Ctrl C to copy, and then you're going to go to your billboard mockup. Go to filter and go to vanishing point, and you're going to use this tool, and you're just going to create lines around the billboard. Then you're going to press Ctrl V to paste the object, Ctrl T, and you're going to basically place it inside. You can adjust the picture here and making it wider. It's up to you how you want to adjust the billboard. Press enter once you're done. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.